Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I'm on vacation, but I want to give you an update on copper. So let's get into it. So here's the pattern, the big triangle, I don't know, 1.5 years in the making, symmetrical triangle with the breakout at approximately 401. And the price projection at that time was 505. So we got up to hit 506. I went to neutral, spiked up a little higher, and then it's gone down since. I reinitiated with a buy rating at let's call it 450 back about a month ago. And we've drifted down to 440-ish, 430-ish. And so why am I still interested in this pattern or in copper, since we got to our price projection of this big pattern? I'm usually done with that. Like I would walk away, copper was great, and I move on to the next. However, this is really in the back of my mind. I'm going to show you, and it's not intact. So, and it has some bearish implications last month. So this is a big picture copper monthly chart going all the way back to 2001. And you can see we've been forming this big consolidation with these wild swings going back to 2008, early 2009, late 2008. And we have an ascending triangle, a flat top and a rising support line. A, B, C, D, E. So all the touches are in place for this to go higher. And it had a fake breakout last month where it broke above resistance. And by the end of the month, it closed back down to the lows of the month. And that's what you call a evening star pattern, where you get this spike up and this retracement, which is really bearish. So, and a fake breakout on top of it. So this month, I expected some downward movement, and we're getting it. Down 5% this month, down, I don't know, 12 or 13% or 15% from where we got out. But this is in the back of my mind. The touches are there. If it's able to close above 475, this thing could go a long way to like $8. So right now, that's not it's not intact. There's no way to hang your hat on that. With this bearish candle last month, the risk is to the downside right now. So this is big picture stuff. So let's take a look at this pattern, the breakout, and where we're at. So here we go, all the way up to, so this is CPER, the copper ETF that I trade, because I don't do futures. I'm not that smart. I don't use leverage. I'm not that smart. If I can get the direction right and make money, I'm happy. I don't want to lose money. So here we are. We get way up here. Prices come down, and this is a daily chart. So each one of these bars is 1 day. So 4 days ago, 5 days ago, I put out a YouTube video saying that we had a bearish convergence of moving averages, rainbow convergence, bearish, meaning that because it couldn't break through, it promised that we'd get new lows. We break this low and get lower lows. So we've got that now. So I'm reiterating my buy rating on this. Could it go lower? Of course it could go lower. We're not even oversold here. But I'm going to reiterate my buy on this, and so I hope that warning was helpful to you. I don't just buy and hold. So this was what, 28.17, and now we're down to 27. I don't know what that is, 4 or 5% or something like that. But uh, anywhere now, I'm looking for a bullish reversal pattern. We don't have that yet. We don't have a bullish hammer. We don't have a bullish engulfing pattern. We don't have any of that yet to say we're going to go higher. But I've been buying the last 2 days. I'm gradually easing into this position. I don't go in and just buy copper. Every day it's down, I'm buying. When it's up, I sell a little bit. So if I buy 10 shares, 20 shares, whatever it is on a down day, and if it's up the next day, I'll sell 2 shares because I'm just trying to lower my cost basis, but I'm still trying to get my position bigger. I hope that makes sense. This is the intraday chart. Each one of these bars is 2 hours. The last one we looked at was a daily chart where each bar was a day. So this is really short-term stuff. But you can see the last 25 days, we're getting higher lows on our relative strength index as prices are hitting lower lows. So all this, even though we're going down, we're drifting down. The selling is abating. And so this is telling me that we're setting up for some sort of a retracement. And again, when I get a big up day, I'm going to sell a little bit, and I hope you do the same thing. So if we look at point and figure chart, here we are. Got a nice little pullback now. We had a fake breakout, right? And now we've gotten a pullback. So this is a good opportunity to add a little bit, keep adding to this position. And according to the point and figure chart, which is the least subjective chart, it's really just supply and demand. We got a $49 price projection and we're at 27. So that's almost a double. So the potential, and on the actual copper futures, we have a possible $8 price projection if things go our way. So that's kind of what I wanted to talk about with copper. It's now hit a lower low, like I thought would happen 5 days ago when I did the copper update. And so that's taken place. You should be adding to your position and getting ready for an up move. Thank you for watching Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis, and hope you have a great trading day tomorrow.